Hotel Alpha, anyone on the line? Mayday, I'm on fire.
Hi guys, my name is Tembi and this is
Yun, yes.
and we're from Harare. We are aspiring guides from Wild Encounters. We have been on our 9-day trip, which is very interesting and memorable.
Yes, it is a 9-day practical that covers Metopus, Wangi and Vic Falls, and it is filled with various different activities such as hiking, the tour of the bridge, Wangi National Park, Painted Dogs Conservancy, and everything like that in between.
Hello, my name is Elsa Robe. My scientific name is Equus busheli, Elzebra. So here we are in our 9 days trip. So far it's day 5. And then
Mina, I'm Natasha from all the way Gobulawayo. Scientific name, Lycaon pictus. It's a painted dog. So far, as she said, Dobuti, it's been 5 days out of 9. We are practicing shooting. Hi guys, we're from Wild Encounters, full of wildlife and tourism.